Hi everyone, it's Jared with Heat Press Nation. One thing that comes up again and again is the question of whether or not you can sublimate onto cotton apparel. Sublimation is an ink-only transfer process that is designed for 100% white polyester apparel only. But let's see what happens when we attempt to sublimate onto a 100% cotton t-shirt. We created sublimation transfers for both polyester and cotton. First, we'll press the cotton transfer. We'll press this for 30 seconds at 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, we'll press the polyester transfer also for 30 seconds at 370 degrees Fahrenheit. The difference in color vibrancy is immediately noticeable. And after one wash, the cotton transfer fades drastically, but the polyester transfer retains its color. To learn more about the sublimation process, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to my expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.